Okay guys, so this is video number 2 in my series. Thank you so much for coming back if you're back, and thank you if you're new. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you're reminded every time I upload a new video. This is a video in my playlist series, How to Wig, and I will link that down below, and it will go over some things, some beginner-friendly things on how to make your wig look more natural. So make sure to hit that info card down below. Click the link so you can see what other videos are in this playlist. But this video, I am going to show you how to pluck your part. So if you get your wig, your synthetic wig, or even human hair wig, and it's looking that part is a little tight, I'm going to show you how to pluck it and make it a little bit wider, because typically people's regular hair, we have a part. It's not thin. You can see it. So sometimes when these wigs come, there is no part. And so we want to make sure that our wigs look a little bit more natural. So in order to see how to pluck your part the right way, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is what this wig is looking like before I trimmed it. As you can see a lot of the knots. It's not super thin, but it's pretty thin there. So what I do is I go ahead and pin my wig down to my mannequin head. Again, you could do this in your hands, but if you have a mannequin head, it makes it a little bit easier. And then I just take my comb and I go through the part and I pick up little by little hair that I want to remove. And then I just use my hands to pull out the hair. The only thing here that I will mention is do not go pulling a bunch of hairs out at once. Like this clump I have in my hand, you do not want to take that all and pull that out at once, because if you do, you can actually put a hole in your lace. You don't want to do that. So I literally take 1 to 2, maybe 3 hairs at the most, but I really try to keep it down to 1 to 2 hairs, and I just gently pull it out. Most of the time, if you take out only 1 to 2 hairs, they actually come out pretty easily. If you take more than that, you'll start to feel it pull. If you feel any pulling at all, you guys, stop what you're doing. Don't pull that hair out, and just, again, take a little bit by a little bit, 1 to 2 hairs at a time, and just pull them out. So I'm just going to continue to do that throughout this wig. You will see that spot right there where I already removed how white it's looking, because now you no longer have those knots there. It's kind of widening that part there and making it look more realistic. So just go ahead and keep on watching, guys. You'll see me continue to do this, but this is what I do to go ahead and make my parts look a little bit more natural, and to widen them out. So I really widen up the part in the front, but then once I get to the back, if it's a little bit thinner, that's fine. If you look at people's natural parts, that's kind of how it tends to be, a little bit wider in the front, and then as you get back into the back of the hair, it kind of thins out a little bit more. So I tend to take more from the front and less from the back, but again, it's all subjective, so it's how you want your part to look. So you remove however much hair or however little bit of hair you want to, but I think this is looking pretty good for me. I'm just gonna work a little bit more here in the middle, and then I am pretty much done here. So this is how much hair I actually removed from the part. As you can see, you can remove a lot of hair. Again, it's all subjective, but that's all I'm removing from my part. Next, I'm going to go ahead and disguise those knots. My next video in this how-to will be how I completely disguise my knots just using 2 products. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell, you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.